Now we are taking another one problem on the product method. Here Sanjay withdrew the following amounts from his firm for personal use. Personal use means here for the drawings only they using the money, that is during the year ending 31st/3/2017. Calculate interest on drawings by using the product method if the rate of interest to be charged is 7% per annum. This is a problem here they given. In this problem the following amounts are given to the drawings amount, date and amounts. On 1/4/2016 rupees 16,000, on 30th/6/2016 15,000, on 31st/10/2016 10,000, and 31/12/2016 14,000, and last one 1/3/2017 11,000. Like these dates and amounts of withdrawals they given here. By taking this information you should calculate the interest on drawings here. Rate of interest is 7%. Drawings amounts are these are. Now next step is to calculate the interest on drawings, that is find out in the total product. Calculation of total product table is here. Date column, amount of drawing column, number of outstanding months and product. In this table I have given here dates and amounts of drawings from the problem only. Here only columns, two columns are we have to find out here. So first date column and amount of drawings. On the 1st April 2016 they give drawings 16,000, and 30th/6/2016 15,000, 31/10/2016 10,000, 31/12/2016 14,000, and 1/3/2017 11,000. By taking this information you should find out the number of outstanding months and product here. So outstanding months how to calculate here? From the date of drawings till the end of accounting period. So date of drawings here 1/4/2016 and end is 31st/3/2017. So become 1 year now, 1/4 to 31st March. So it is 12 months. 12 months are here outstanding months. Next 30th/6 means June last date. June last date. On the June last date means here June should not be considered in the outstanding months. So from 30th/6 you leave that June month and consider the next month, immediate next month, that is July. From July to March. July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. These are 9 months here. 9 months are outstanding months. Next 31/10 October last date. So you should not consider the October month. Next to the, that is November month. November, December, January, February, March. That is 5 months. Next one 31st/12. It is also leave that December month and take it next month. That is January, February, March. 3 months. And last one 1/3 is there. From the March 1st only, from the March 1st to 31st March. That becomes 1 month. 1 month. These all are outstanding. So we have to find out the total product now by taking the withdrawal amount and outstanding month. So 16,000 into 12, 1,92,000. Calculate it. And 15,000 into 9, 1,35,000. 10,000 into 5, here 50,000. 14,000 into 3, it is 42,000. 11,000 into 1, it becomes 11,000 only. So total it. Total becomes 4,30,000. It is total. So total product becomes here 4,30,000 here. By adding the product amounts, it becomes 4,30,000. For this amount only you need the table. Dates, amount of withdrawings, number of outstanding months, product. By taking this information only you have to find out the total product. This need here in the formula. So interest on drawings equal to total product into rate into 1 divided by 12. Total product you got here 4,30,000. 4,30,000. Rate is 7% and 1 divided by 12 as it is. So direct calculation becomes here 2508.33 becomes a rate of interest on drawings. So write last line. So Sanjay's interest on drawings equals to rupees 2508.33. In the last line you should write this one answer it is. This is all about calculation of interest on drawings under the product method. We learned here two problems on the product method.